and thank you for joining me today. My name is Jessica and I'm the Director of Children's Services here at the Spartanburg County Public Library. Today I'm here to tell you a little bit about our winter pick-me-up kits. These are available at all of our 10 library locations, including our most recently opened Inman Library. They'll be available starting on December 19th and are first come, first served. Well, inside these boxes are pretty cool activities that hopefully will keep you busy during the winter holiday. We have DIY slap bracelets, instant snow, a snowman pop, snowflake necklace, and perler bead ornaments to make today. So feel free to join me and follow along as we make these together. So I've got my perler beads, my ribbon, and my ornament. And we're first going to start with opening up our ornament. This definitely might need the help of a grown-up, so just be extra careful as you take the top off. It does have some pokies on it. All right, here we go. Pop it right off. Pop. Okay, so you can do one of two things. You can just open up the bag, right? Here's the bag of perler beads, and do it one by one. You can hear them all tip, tip, tip into the ornament. Tip, 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 tip. All right, so that will keep us busy. Or you can then choose to keep the Ziploc baggie closed and cut a little hole in the corner right here and pour them all in at once. A library trend I've seen is adding pictures of the books that you've read in the year into the ornament. I thought that would be really cute. You can also add miniatures, so if you have any miniature things that you'd like to add in here, you could do that. So let's see if this tactic will work. I think, we're learning a little bit more about science today. We're doing trial and error. So we used a hypothesis that said, maybe if we try to cut a hole in the bag and pour them into the perler bead ornament, that would be quicker. But after testing our hypothesis, actually adding them by hand is quite quicker. Interesting. Maybe you'll have a different tactic that you'll try. If any of y'all have a funnel at home, a funnel is kind of like a V-shaped tool that you can use in order to funnel things into containers. You could try that. You could also maybe use a grown-up's help, and you could make a funnel out of paper, so you wouldn't have to go out and buy one, of course. Or you can just keep doing it like me, as I'm doing it by hand. Okay, so I'm all done with my perler bead ornament and pouring all the perler beads in. Looks pretty cool, huh? So for those of you who don't know what perler beads are, you can actually use perler beads with a special template in order to make different characters. You could also make different animals or cupcakes. You can make stars, rainbows, anything that you want to make, you can make with perler beads. You just need a grown-up's help in making it because you'll need like a little flat template with pokey holes in it where you're putting the perler beads and assembling them into a design. And it also requires the use of an iron, but you definitely want a grown-up's help with that. But for now, that looks pretty darn cute, right? Let's put our ribbon on it and see if I can hang it on this little Christmas tree that I've got right next to me. But even if you don't celebrate Christmas, this could be something that you hang in your room as decoration, or you could repurpose the beads for an activity for school, or just for your own enjoyment. All right, so I've got it here on the little tree, and we are all set and ready to celebrate. Okay, so that was our fourth activity that we had. That one took a little bit of time, didn't it? But it sure was a lot of fun. So let's move on to our last activity. This one is very, very fun.